Come with me to quiz healthcare professionals about alarms in the ICU.
Oh my God.
Oh
my. You hear that alarm in your sleep?
OMG.
yeah, definitely alarm fatigue is real.
What % of alarms in the ICU do you think should actually be actionable?
All alarms should be actionable. I would want some alarms that are warning me that, we're getting to an actionable state, but the vast majority absolutely should be actionable.
Absolutely. And do you want to guess what % are inactionable right now? Inactionable, meaning they go off, but nothing actually needs to be done. Is it 10 to 20%, 30 to 40%, or 80 to 99%?
I want to see maybe 50%.
I'm going to go 80 to 90.
That's absolutely right. It's 80 to 99%. So in some places, only 1% of alarms are actually actionable alarms.
Oh man, I'd say 80 to 99.
You're absolutely right. It's actually 80 to 99%.
Oh.
So every time you're going into a room and you're turning off that alarm, it's 80 to 99% of them you don't need to do anything.
Wow.
90%.
Yeah, that's a really good guess. You probably know better than anybody being the patient. It's anywhere from 80 to 99%
Yeah,
of alarms.
that's what I'm saying.
60% of nurses report burnout. And as a physician, do you feel like the alarms contribute to that?
I'm not a nurse, but they definitely contribute to my burnout as a physician. And they're way more responsible for the beeping than I am.
60% of nurses report burnout. Do you feel like the number of alarms that you have to manage a day contributes to this?
Oh, definitely.
And if you could reduce them by 50 to 80% and reduce costs by $264,000 for ICU, would you want to do that?
Definitely.
Absolutely.
I would want it for me as a nurse, definitely.
Well, thank you. That's what CalmWave is doing. Would you want that for your hospital?
Yes.
Anything that can increase the calmness of a patient's experience is worth it.
I think that would be a game changer for people that had to stay in the hospital. And you wouldn't be scared that they'd ignore an alarm or they're just getting so used to hearing them. But then also your stay would be better and the quality of life, as weird as that sounds, in a hospital would be better.
I get it. Well, CalmWave is trying to fix this. All right, you got to come see us at CalmWave. All right, you're in the right place. Thank you for coming by and stopping by and seeing CalmWave.
All right,
I appreciate you being interviewed with us today.
All right, thank you so much.
Thanks.
Learn how we're creating the Calm ICU at calmwave.com.